Hi everyone, and welcome to this series on Machine. In this video we're going to take a general overview of the GUI just to get us familiar with how things are laid out in the software. Now since we're starting out with an empty project, I'm going to load one up just to fill in everything and show you the areas being used. So I'm going to go over here and we're in Projects. I'm going to load up this track right here. And now you can see the different areas of the screen being used. Now, if I was to try to summarize machine workflow, I would say you basically have three main parts. The browser on the left organizes all your sounds, projects, kits, and so on. Those sounds are then brought into the pattern editor here. This pattern editor will allow you to create musical phrases, loops, and rhythms, and so on. And finally, those patterns are arranged into a song up here in the arranger. Now, this happens to be a techno kind of track, so you can see we've got different scenes here, but they're just called scene 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. If this were a pop track or something more conventional, this could well be called intro, verse, chorus, break, and so on. So these scenes basically divide up a song into different sections. So those are what I would say are the three main areas of Machine that really kind of define the workflow. There are of course other features in Machine. We actually have a well-featured mixer as well. And of course you can get into very fine editing and effects, and we'll look at those as we go through the series. So just to complete our general overview, as I mentioned, this browser over here will show you basically the library of Machine. Now the Machine library consists of sounds that native instruments have supplied, but it also features your own effects, your own instruments, and your own samples. And I'll be showing you how to integrate those later. Now just above the browser, we've got a drop-down menu here, and this gives you your File, New, Open, Save As, Export, Preferences. And then down here you have some of the usual options such as different view modes. This allows you to select which hardware controls the software, because you may have more than one machine. And you've got your Help tab here. So moving on from this section, we've got a little magnifying glass that shows and hides the browser. You have your transport section over here. And over here you can quickly turn off Machine if something's going wrong, if you're getting some kind of CPU spike or audio feedback loop. You also have a master volume control here as well, in case you're clipping. So that's it for the general overview of the GUI. As I said, it's basically browser, pattern editor, and then pattern arranger. And we will be taking an in-depth look at these parts as we go. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.